In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Instagram app. After that, just tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Instagram profile. Then tap at these three lines to go to settings and activity, where you can easily find notifications. And that's where we can easily find quiet mode here. Here we can configure it, we can adjust start time, end time, and also we can choose days for quiet mode to be activated. However, if you just want to turn it off, tap right here at that toggle button to turn it off. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.